Our next speakers are Mauro de Fabritiis and Mario Chamorro. Nicolas, we see you back at the Q&A, who both represent iGaming consultants, MDF Partners. We start with you, Mauro. Good morning and thank you for being here. How are you?
Good morning, Willem. Really fine, thanks. And thank you for the invitation to this interesting panel.
Thank you for joining us. Mauro, let's kick off here. What product or service would you like to highlight with us here today?
I would like to introduce our new product launched since July last year that is called Promo Sherlock. That is a comprehensive market intelligence tool that helps gaming operator in the end to optimize their promotional strategy. It provides, we can say, real-time insights into competitors and allow operators to monitor the promotions, benchmarking against the market or relevant competitors of the market arena, and optimize and differentiate their promotional strategy. Essentially, our product, Promo Sherlock, is based on three components. A database that stores more than 20 data points per promotion types, screenshots, amount, rollover, relevant limitations, and blah, blah, blah. Daily notification that we send through the platform to the operators, and a monthly report with a recap of the relevant info inside of the market that we discussed with the different operators. By using this tool, operators can save time and money by automating the monitoring process in a structured way, and they can access to the info at all the level of their companies, and focus on other important aspects of their business. We can define Promo Sherlock as, let me say, a game changer that helps operators to optimize their strategy and their positioning ahead of the competition.
Thank you, Mauro. That was really, really helpful. Let's stay with you for a second. Which issues, Mauro, specific to the Spanish market does your service address?
Yeah, essentially, Promo Sherlock starts from some relevant considerations in the Spanish market. First of all, the increasing of the restrictions. As you know, the advertising decree introduces several restrictions for TV, radio sponsorship, SEM, display, social marketing, and so on. Second consideration is that promotions, typically bonus, are not so restricted as other kind of advertising, and are the most relevant acquisition and retention tool. Moreover, as you can see in the chart, promotions investment is the only one included with affiliation that has not decreased in the last 3 years period, and it's the biggest acquisition area where operator can now invest. So it's important, on our opinion, more than what operators do something, how they promote their actions, and we think Promo Sherlock can help operators in their promotional strategy. I think we will give more details, and I leave to Mario go in a little bit on this.
Thank you, Mauro. And for next question, let's switch to your colleague Mario Chamorro. Mario, once again, welcome to the webinar. Mario, can we have Mario, please? I think we lost Mario in translation, maybe. Mario, are you still here?
I can hear you, yeah. Hi, good morning.
Mario, sorry for the hiccup here. Mario, once again, welcome. What more, apart from what Mauro told us, can you say about Promo Sherlock?
Yeah, thank you, Willem. As Mauro said, we have 3 components in Promo Sherlock. No? We have an online database, we have a daily notification system, and we have a monthly report. What we can see here in the slide is the online database, and this is a very comprehensive and detailed database. We are currently tracking more than 7,000 promotions of the Italian and Spanish markets. And we are tracking a total of 23 data points per promotions. This is what you can see here. All the columns here, it's different KPIs. We track basic information like what is the promotion name, what is the description, the URL, etc. But we also analyze the information and curate the information to normalize everything to make something more useful for the operator. This means, for example, that we try to categorize promotions in different promotion types. We have a total of 11 categories. So you can search, for example, you can filter between deposit bonus, standard bonuses, leaderboards, tournaments, free spins, free bets, etc. At the end of the day, all the kinds of promotions are tracked here in PromoSherlock. We do this through a daily analysis of all the operator sites. We go to the promotion site and we look for the new promotions and store them here in PromoSherlock. In Spain, we're tracking a total of 17 operators. The combined market share of them is more than 85% of the total market share. So I think we can say that we are covering most of the market in Spain. This online database is accessible anytime by the operator. They can go here, they can make filters. For example, let's imagine that you are planning a new promotion and you want to get inspiration of what did the market do for the final of the Champions League this year. You can look for this information here in PromoSherlock. Or more normal promotions, if you want, you can look for example, for free spins that can be played only at pragmatic play slots in Spain, in April, for example. You can do this in PromoSherlock. You can even extract this information to CSV and work directly in Excel if you prefer. So this is the first component. This is the online database. The second one is the daily notifications. This is a daily email that we send to operators with a recap of all the new promos that were activated by operators in the previous 24 hours. And this is a very useful piece of information for operators because we send them a list of all the new promos that were activated on the previous day. This is categorized per product and per operator. And this allows to say if the market is moving towards, I don't know, for example, to free spins, or they are making more leaderboards now or more cashbacks, etc. This is very useful for them. The last component is the monthly report. And this is a very comprehensive and very detailed document. It's around 50 pages long, where we make an assessment of the promotional situation in Spain. We have a initial section with a high-level analysis of the global landscape, but then we also make numerous deep dives. We make an analysis per operator, per promotion category, evolution per month, etc. It's a very detailed document that we discuss with operators, normally in a 90-minute session per month with them. And this is very useful for them because it's not only as presented in the document, it's also an opportunity to make some brainstorming on how to optimize the strategy, etc. So just to recap, I would say that these three components allow the operator to monitor the market, to benchmark the market, their offer versus the market and versus other operators, and finally to optimize and differentiate their promotional strategy.
That was a lot of information, but very, very interesting, Mario. Thank you very much.